A working smoke alarm saved 3 people's lives this morning when a Parramatta unit went up in flames. Piles of rubbish adding fuel to the Thomas Street fire, which threatened neighbouring apartments.
Fumes pouring outside, flames bursting in. At 7 o'clock this morning, the second floor of this public housing site on fire.
We can see the flame from our unit. It was like that bang, 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 and then the fire went on, and then we called 000.
The 3 people inside did manage to get out and are okay.
Luckily for the residents inside, that there were working smoke alarms.
As smoke filled neighbouring apartments, the entire building was evacuated safely.
It was scary for a while. I could hear big sounds coming out there.
A crowd of firefighters swarmed. It took 6 crews 30 minutes to put out the blaze.
At this stage, we are working with crews and also police to determine what is the cause and origin of the fire.
The building is just opposite the Macarthur Girls High School. You can see the residents' charred belongings from the road. According to Fire and Rescue New South Wales, he is a hoarder and his personal possessions and piles of rubbish added fuel to the fire. The fire is not suspicious. In Parramatta, Maggie Rayworth, 9 News.